Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 33 of the Microsoft Word tutorial series, and today we're going to look at how to add in columns inside of Microsoft Word. So to add in columns, simply select the paragraph you want to change the columns of and then simply go to the layout ribbon. Over here, just go to the columns menu and you can select 2 columns, you can select 3 columns and left aligned column or right aligned column, as you can see. And if you were to add something over there, you can see that this actually continues on to this section right here. And if you were to continue on from this section right here, it actually creates another column right here. So that is how it actually works. So now what you can simply do is you can do more than this. So let's select the column that I want to edit, go to one column, and from here I want to simply go to more column. So I can increase the number up to more than 7, 8 or 9 columns as I want. So you can see that I have more columns right here. But from the more column option, you can actually just go back to 2 columns. You can increase the spacing of the columns to something like, let's say, 1.5 a point. So let me just press OK, and you can see that I have 1.5 spacing right here. You can also go to more columns. You can just apply the column option to the selected sections or the whole document if you want to. So you can see that now whole document has been applied with the column right there. So you can also go to more column option right here, and then just go to the selected portion that actually just applies it to the selected portion. Since whole document column has been applied, let me just press Ctrl A, go back to column menu, press 1, and I'm going to select only this part. So I just want this paragraph right here. So let me just press back right here. I just want this paragraph 4 columns to be applied in. So I'm just going to press 2 right here, and you can see that 2 columns has been added. On the top of that, you can also go to more column option right here and add in a line between. So I'm going to have just like, let's say, 0.7 point of space right here, 0.7 space. So just press OK, and you can see that you have a column with a line right there. So this is quite easy to create interesting layouts inside of Microsoft Word. And hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.